When you work with GDPR and compliance, one of the main areas that you need to document is all the data processors that you transfer data to. We call this a data mapping, where you get an overview of which personal data you handle within your organization, and then which third parties that you transfer data to. This can be done directly on a processing activity. So you can say a process where you work with personal data. You can say, I transfer data to this particular data processor. But you can also do it on a system level and say, when I use this IT system, I have this supplier, and this supplier is a data processor, so I mark that on the system. The smart thing within privacy is that you now can select on a processing activity that you use this system. So you can register the system, register your supplier, you can register your data processor agreement with this supplier on a system level, and afterwards you can select the same system on the processes where you use the system. So in this way, when you link a processing activity and a system, privacy knows that you use this system within this process, and because of that, you transfer data to this particular data processor that you have marked as a supplier on the system. The smart thing is that if you then have some updates on this supplier, it could for instance be an updated data processor agreement. Instead of registering the same update on each processing activity where you transfer data to the data processor, you can simply do it one time on the system, and this change will now be applied to all the processing activities where you have registered that you use the system. So in this way, by using the processing activities and the system in the right way and make the right link between those, it will work for you and make your compliance work more efficient and more smart for the future. I hope that this little feature can help you in your compliance work. And if you want to see more product updates like this, you can head to our website and find other videos there.